into the season with some great stories. On the track, 8 out of our 10 teams will have driver lineup changes. We have new drivers moving up from Formula 2, great young talents like Charles Leclerc, and established stars like Daniel Ricciardo moving to new teams. Wonderful stories like the return of Robert Kubica. 2019 is just a step in our longer-term plans. Beyond next year, we look forward to continuing to work with the FIA to introduce more significant changes on the track, to improve competition and action, to bringing Formula One to new and exciting places like Hanoi, Vietnam, long-term initiatives like the growth of our Formula One over-the-top TV platform, and much more.
Exciting because we need to know the first race or the first races to understand exactly what are the effects, but clearly we should have, with this different aerodynamic, hopefully closer contact between the cars, more opportunities of overtaking, even if we know that in motor racing overtaking are not so easy. And I really hope that we will have a very interesting and challenging new Formula One championship. 25 years. I mean, it seems like it was yesterday. And Ayrton is present in all the memories. You know, he was an amazing champion with a great charisma, a great leadership, a great personality, and we still love him.